If your HVAC system is leaking water, you gotta check that condensate drain line first, because that's usually the culprit. So start by clearing out the condensate drain line, since it can get clogged with dirt, mold, or algae and cause water to back up. You can use a wet-dry vacuum or a simple bleach and water mix to flush it out. Next, peek at the drain pan under your unit to see if it's cracked or rusty. Any damage there means water's gonna leak out. Make sure the drain line is sloped correctly so gravity can do its thing and water flows out smoothly, no pooling. Also, keep an eye on your air filter because a dirty one can cause your system to freeze up and then drip water when it thaws. If your HVAC is old, some parts might just be worn out and need replacing to stop leaks. Don't forget to check for any loose or disconnected drain pipes. Lastly, if you're not comfy doing this yourself, calling a pro to inspect and fix it can save you from bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with an HVAC system leaking water is ignoring the clogged condensate drain line. This leads to water buildup and damage. Fix it by regularly cleaning the drain line with vinegar or bleach solution. Another issue is overlooking damage in the drain pan. Cracks or rust here let water escape and cause leaks, so replace or repair the pan if you spot problems. The third common problem is having a drain line that isn't sloped properly, which stops water from draining and causes puddles. Make sure the line slopes downward away from the unit for proper drainage. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making repairs less stressful. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find real clients who need your skills for projects like fixing HVAC leaks or anything else around the house.